This is something I've not tried before and something I've not tasted before. That bottle is actually defying gravity. And so is that one. I've not tried Kraken before, so I thought I'd get this gift pack, review it on the gift pack series to see if it's any good. It's going to come with 2 Krakens, miniature ones, black spiced rum, got some of the Franklin and Sons cola, and some ginger beer.
I'll review the cola.
So we're going to open this pack. It was 12 quid from Tesco, and it comes with a highball. Highball glass. That looked like the front for some reason. I spun it around, I saw that at the top, I'm like, I'm looking at that, but yeah. So we're going to try that. I'm hoping it's not got any plastic. Oh, it hasn't. Oh yeah, it's plastic there. Well, I'm excited about this because people tell me to try Kraken. I don't want to spend all that money on a big bottle. And, oh Jesus, that's it. Might not get that out.
Wow.
They're really tough there. Oh, you can get it, but it's like they've almost melted it on.
Wrapped with care.
Yeah, wrapped with as much attention, I think. Look at that glass.
It's a twist.
Another glass.
Twist.
I do like that. It would have been nice if it was textured, but it's got the Kraken on it.
I'm going to drink out.
Yeah, I'm going to do the usual thing where in a minute I'm going to transition, so to them it will seem. That's a nice box, but go in the recycling. I'm going to clean this out. I've kind of washed that, still a bit of water.
Thank you very much. A little bit watered down.
Because they didn't give me a second glass, I'm going to use the Stormtrooper glass. Little fact, this is really annoying to wash up. I like the fact they've gone to the trouble of putting those little handles on it. But I'm going to try a bit. Do you want a bit of rum on its own? Just try it.
Yes.
Smells like glue. Really, but that's what rum's like.
Oh wow, yeah.
Well, I like the lamb spiced, but
I don't know how much I should
oh
drink.
god.
Drink responsibly, guys.
I know it's dark
But,
rum. I think that's why it tastes like that.
black spiced.
But it's not. It's not like the lamb spiced at all.
It smells like, and it sounds ridiculous,
White spirit.
because it is rum, but the truffle rum balls, which is pretty much
Oh, I like the.
obvious.
They've engraved the frickin' bottle that I'm not going to keep. They've engraved the glass that I am going to keep. They're done with that. They put the Kraken on there. It's engraved. But yeah, I'll pour a little bit more. Well, also, I shouldn't have used this glass because there's a massive lip on it. So when you drink it, it's like funnels down there and then over. This was a mistake I have.
Do you want to try a different glass than instead of the
No, I'll drink out of this as well.
Okay. I might mix it with a bit of cola actually, if that's okay.
What this cola's going to taste like? What if, it smells like that Curiosity cola that Fentimans do.
Franklin and Sons Limited.
1886, that's old cola.
Wow.
But it smells like that Curiosity cola. Probably is. This isn't from 1886, it's from the real world. Give that a try. Can't see it there, but yeah. Product placement. Oh yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers, yeah. Stormtrooper. No, that tastes alright. It tastes like ginger wine. Exactly like ginger wine.
I'm going to add a little bit more of this. Just because I do
Yeah.
actually quite like rum.
Try the Krabbies or even just the Tesco brand ginger wine. That's what it tastes like. The green ginger wine. Because the label is green.
You need like a little box to put it on.
There you go. It's already paying for itself.
It's a nice little heart warmer, isn't it, rum?
Yeah, but I prefer
So
the lamb spiced one. It's nice because it's actually sweet.
I bought that one. Wait a minute.
This is
So
black.
what's so different?
It's dark rum.
So what's the normal spiced one like? Or is
Kraken
that
don't do a normal one. They do it just as dark.
a black spice?
But I want to try some of this with cola.
I was just curious because I've never actually tried Kraken before. So it's the
No,
first
neither
time.
have I. But it's nice to try it like this. Because if we bought the big bottle, I'll tell you what we've got to try next time. The Crystal Skull vodka I've got. Well, I've been waiting for James and Steve, so I might save that.
I'd
But,
love that.
I was only going to do one more pack in this series next week, but that's if it arrives, because it's still on order, but it's in this country. I've ordered the Stormtrooper First Aid gift pack, and I think you'll love that. So I thought we review that next week. If it arrives, if it doesn't, we're all going to send them emails. Even you.
Drink responsibly, guys. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, make sure they can subscribe too.
Click.
And just put anything you want in the comments, what you'd suggest, what we could drink next as well.
That is good cola. But it tastes good with the rum, but it's just like Fentimans.
What's that one then?
That's quite nice. I prefer the ginger beer, but it was nice that it's a little selection pack like that.
Can I have a bit more? Oh.
Yeah, just have what you want. Yeah, we're just going to say goodbye to Sam and keep on drinking all night. That's what's going to happen here.
I think this may be a nice.
And I am
for both
officially
of us.
a Hufflepug. Bye.